As we discussed in our last video about some of the most widely used prompting techniques, that is zero shot, few shot, and chain of thought prompting, today we will be diving deeper into these techniques to understand them more closely with real life examples. First up is zero shot prompting. This is the most basic way we interact with AI. Here, you simply tell the AI what you want it to do without giving it any past examples to learn from. The AI relies entirely on the knowledge it already has from its training. It tries to understand your request and give you an answer right away. This technique works best for straightforward questions or common tasks where the AI has a clear understanding of what you are asking. Think of it like asking someone a simple factual question. They just know the answer. Now, let's try an example. Here's the exact prompt we will try. Translate good morning into Hindi. You are not giving any background. You are not saying, here's how translation works, or here are some examples. You are just asking. Now let's see how AI responds. AI's answer is, good morning in Hindi is Suprabhat. That's it. The AI understood your instruction and gave the right answer without needing any previous examples in that moment. This is the magic of zero shot prompting. The AI uses everything it has learned during its training to figure out what you are asking and then it responds. It's kind of like asking a well-read friend a question. You don't explain everything, you just ask and they already know enough to answer. Want to try a few yourself? Here are some fun prompts for you to try using any AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, or even Google search with AI features. First, you can try with summarize. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. Wait and see if the AI gives you a short summary. Second, you can try with what is the capital of Japan. The AI should respond with Tokyo. Third, you can try with tell me a fun fact about the human brain. Let's see what the AI says. These prompts don't require any example or special setup. Just give a clear instruction and see what happens. That's zero shot prompting in action. Later, we will see other styles like few shot and chain of thought where you do give examples or ask the AI to explain its reasoning step by step. But for now, play around with zero shot prompting. Try different questions, facts, summaries, anything that comes to your mind. See how well the AI understands you with just one clear instruction.